dear Watan followers. Welcome to our weekly news program. Export of Turkmen natural gas to Kazakhstan. President of Turkmenistan Serdar Berdimuhamedov received first Deputy Prime Minister of the Republic of Kazakhstan Roman Skляр, who arrived in our country. During the meeting, it was emphasized that our countries, which are celebrating the 30th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations this year, have built exemplary interstate cooperation during this time. The parties emphasized the need to intensify the constructive Turkmen-Kazakh dialogue in the political, diplomatic, trade, economic, and cultural humanitarian fields in connection with the great prospects for its future development, taking into account mutual interests. At the meeting, an agreement has been reached to export Turkmen gas to a neighboring country. The Kazakh side has expressed interest in implementing a project to build a grain storage terminal in Turkmenistan. President Serdar Berdimuhamedov was awarded with the Order of Friendship. During the online meeting of the Cabinet Ministers, Deputy Chairman of the Cabinet of Ministers, Minister of Foreign Affairs Rashid Meredov, who making the report, underlined that President Serdar Berdimuhamedov for many years as a diplomat maketh a weighty contribution to realization of the foreign policy of our natural fatherland, development of constructive cooperation with foreign partners, including with international organizations. In this connection, by the decree of President of the Russian Federation Vladimir Putin, for his great contribution to the strengthening the strategic partnership between Russia and Turkmenistan, President Serdar Berdimuhamedov was awarded with the Order of Friendship. Having congratulated the head of the state synchronously with his high award, the Deputy Chairman of the Cabinet of Ministers, head of the Foreign Ministry, wished him sound health and new great success in his large-scale activities for the benefit of our fatherland and people. The ambassador of Turkmenistan met with the chairperson of the Organization Security Cooperation in Europe Parliamentary Assembly, the head of the delegation of Turkmenistan to the Organization Security Cooperation in Europe, with the chairperson of the Organization Security Cooperation in Europe Parliamentary Assembly, Mrs. Margarita Sederfeld. During the meeting, the parties touched upon the issues on the organization agenda, in particular the situation in Afghanistan and reforming the Organization Security Cooperation in Europe. Mrs. Margarita Sederfeld noted that the Organization Security Cooperation in Europe Parliamentary Assembly attaches great importance to cooperation with Turkmenistan, noting the importance of maintaining peace and security in the region. Mrs. Margarita Sederfeld highly appreciated the initiative of Turkmenistan, which are aimed at strengthening the role of the Organization Security Cooperation in Europe, and stressed the importance of further strengthening the relationship, which will serve as a basis for the development of cooperation in other areas. Report of the Ombudsman in Turkmenistan on his activities and the human rights situation in the country in 2021 has been published. In accordance with Article 20 of the Law of Turkmenistan on the Ombudsman, the report was submitted to the President of Turkmenistan for consideration, and the Ombudsman delivered this report to the Meclis of the Milli Kengeş of Turkmenistan. It was also promulgated in the mass media of Turkmenistan and on the website of the Ombudsman. Dear readers, you can read the news from Watan Turkmenistan website in 4 languages: Turkmen, Turkish, Russian and English. Goodbye, dear followers. See you next program.